In today's video, we will talk about what is a complex number. So in very simple language, a complex number is a combination of a real and an imaginary number. So this part, this is the real number and this is the imaginary number. Now we shall go into some details. Here I have purposely written plus or minus so that you should not have any confusion. It could be 2 plus 8i also, or it could be even 2 minus 8i. So this is a complex number which consists of a real number as well as an imaginary number. Now little bit we will discuss about this concept of the imaginary number. See, real numbers, you already know real numbers, they are of this type. Let us say 1, 15.6, then let us say minus 0.95, right? Or maybe we can even write a fraction, let's say 1 by 5, then we can write a root, let's say root of 5, then any other number also, a large number, let us say 20. So like this way, these are all the real numbers, and the imaginary numbers, they are generated when we try to solve the equation of this form. Let us say we have one equation, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Then in this case, we will get x square is equal to minus 1. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is that the square of this number is negative. But we know that in the case of real numbers, this is not possible, because you see that every time the square of these numbers is going to be positive. Whereas over here, just now from our equation, we have got that the square of the number is negative. So in such a case, we define what is called as an imaginary number. So how do we define this imaginary number? We define this number to be defined by the symbol I, and this I we call it as square root of minus 1. Okay, so basically this is the starting point. When we come across some equation where the square of the number is negative, so basically the roots are the square root of a negative number, that time it becomes necessary for us to define this symbol, which is called as I is equal to root of minus 1, right? So in this case, I square is equal to minus 1. So that means that I is a solution of this particular equation. So we make use of this I to define what is called as a complex number, which we wrote over here. So the example which we had taken was 2 plus or minus 8i. So likewise we can define any type of a number in this form. Let's say 8 plus 3i. So here you can see that 8 is real. So this is the real part, and this we can call as the imaginary part. So in other words, a complex number is a number which consists of a real number and an imaginary number, or a real part and an imaginary part. So this real part, if we define our complex number to be generally in this form, a plus ib, then this real part of z is equal to a and the imaginary part of z is equal to b, and I is equal to root of -1. So this is the definition of a complex number explained in simple language.